do you know if you're ready to deliver a private sit-in, to give a reading to somebody in a professional way? It's quite a good question, isn't it? It's a good thing to think about, because sometimes we don't know. We may have taken all the training, we may have done everything, we've got all the tools, but unless we actually get out there and start doing it and practicing with people, and that can be beginning with friends and family, just dipping your toe in the water to see how that works. But one bit of advice I would give you, if you're not sure whether or not you're ready to deliver private sit-ins or not, is there's a few tips I would like to say. Firstly, make sure you have taken the correct training and you feel confident in your delivery to be able to deliver a private sit-in to somebody in a confident way, with your, either in a psychic way if you're connecting with the psychic, or if you're doing mediumship in spirit delivery, spirit communication. So I would suggest firstly making sure that you have taken the right training. That's the first thing. That will give you confidence. It will give you the tools that you need to be able to deliver in a professional and confident way. The second thing is to practice. Sometimes it's quite hard to practice on people you know. So if you know friends of friends, perhaps that who you don't know very much about, because what can happen is when you start to practice your private reading on somebody you know, it's very hard for your conscious mind not to come in. So it makes it a little bit more difficult, because you might know things about them which you need to give, but your conscious mind will be saying, well, that's not evidential, because actually I know that anyway, so how can I give that? And so it's quite a common thing that people come across. So if you can find somebody who is neutral, who you perhaps don't know very well, or just get some volunteers and let them know that you are practicing, that you are training, you're learning. That's another great way to do it. And another great way to do it is that when you've taken all the professional training, you've got all the tools, you've practiced with your friends and family, or extended family and friends, and you know you've got a good feeling for how you're working, how you're delivering your sit-ins, go for it. Start to put your toe in the water and start to practice your private sit-ins. Perhaps put them out there, maybe at a little bit of a reduced rate to begin with, and just offer that and let people know that you're well, you don't have to say that you're practicing, because you're not practicing anymore. You're in a professional level. You may have achieved a professional qualification that gives you a confidence, and also your clients confidence. And this is the Starlight Spiritual School. This is what we do. All of the courses, the mentorships, are all accredited. They're all certified. So you have that qualification. You have that backing to know that you've achieved a certain level in your own development and delivery of spirit communication and psychic work.